Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you Wix versus Shopify, which is the best website builder. Alright, so now here we are on Wix. So now let's start with Wix and let's see what Wix has in store for us. So right here, we have our website right here from Wix. This is actually from a template that I have chosen from Wix, which is really good. And the main advantage that you can get from Wix is that it offers a highly flexible drag and drop interface, making it easy to customize website design without coding knowledge. So this is very beginner friendly. If you don't have any coding knowledge, website design experiences or skills or whatsoever, you're a complete beginner, that is completely fine. Wix is very easy to use. So let me demonstrate. So for example, I'm going to add a section. All I have to do is choose which section that I want, then drag and drop it right here. So as you can see, it's that easy. So this has little to no learning curve right here. So yeah, you can just learn it by yourself right here because it is made for that. And users can also choose from a wide range of templates, and you can also easily modify them. So these are the templates that you can choose from. So these are really good ones right here. So these are all free plans, but you can also go for paid plans if you want better templates. And now let's also talk about the versatility of Wix, because Wix caters to various types of websites, including portfolios, blogs, small businesses, websites, and e-commerce. It's not just for online stores. So yeah, this is an advantage of Wix over Shopify, because you can use it for portfolio blogs and so on right here. And it is also an all-in-one platform. It provides hosting, domain registration, and a suite of built-in features such as e-commerce, blogging, SEO tools, and marketing integrations. And of course, its ease of use, just like what I have said earlier, is that it is very beginner friendly. So yeah, I think that is the main points that you should take note when you are considering Wix. Alright, so now let's move on into Shopify. And now the main thing about Shopify is that it is heavily focused on e-commerce. So it is specifically designed for creating online stores, offering a comprehensive set of features tailored for e-commerce business. And from here, you also have a lot of themes right here. These are free ones, but there are also a lot of paid templates right here in Shopify that is really great for an online store. And that makes sense because Shopify is the best e-commerce platform. If you are into online stores or e-commerce, then Shopify is a no-brainer decision that you should choose. And then the next one is its scalability. So Shopify is highly scalable, capable of supporting small businesses to enterprise level e-commerce operations. So you can just edit your website right here. And main thing about this is that Shopify compared to e-commerce on Wix is much harder to learn right here compared to Wix, which is just a drag and drop. In here in Shopify, you have to edit it right here. You can adjust it right here. There is no drag and drop feature right here. I mean, there are some, but not all of it. It's not as easy as Wix. So this is a more complicated one, but it is very worth it to learn. And then the next one is that I want to point out is that the payment processing here in Shopify. So when we go into settings and we go into payments, there is a lot of payment methods that you can update right here into your store that you can use. So you can go for Visa, American Express, Discover, Shop, Apple Pay, and so on right here. All of the famous payment methods right here are available in Shopify, including those payment methods that are only available in certain countries. So yeah, you would be able to see it here in Shopify as long as you have the right information. And then the next one is that the app ecosystem of Shopify. So this is a really good one on Shopify because when you go into their app store, so when you go to, let's say we want a spreader. So this one is a really great tool, but we will be going into the Shopify app store. So the Shopify app store is very good right here in terms of improving your website because it offers tons of features using the apps right here. So yeah, this is a really good one. So you can choose here, and there is a lot of videos in YouTube about the Shopify App Store in which you can get really good Shopify apps right here that you can integrate into your website, like Spreader right here, as you can see in Spreader, which you can use to import products from Amazon and so on. This is just an example. And then the next one is that while Shopify offers customization options, it may require some technical expertise compared to Wix, just like I said earlier. So yeah, you might want to consider that. So that is basically it for Shopify. All right, so now let's move on to the conclusion. So which is the best website builder? Well, the answer really depends on what kind of website you are going to build. So if you are heavily leaning on online store, then Shopify is the best one for you. But if not, if you're looking for something general like portfolio or even online store, just a basic one, then you can just go for Wix, especially if you're just a beginner, you don't have experience in coding or website building, then Wix is the one for you. So both of these platforms are really good depending on what you need. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out.